Jeez. Nothing like fishing in the wind. Got one. Oh, we got off. He was a cutty. He was right here by the bank. He was nice and pink on the belly. He wasn't real red, it was just pink. Did you hear him jump out of the water? Oh! I just had a chaser. Right at the bank again. Might have to switch. Oh, I just got hit. He's chasing it. Got him! Yeah. Little Roosty did it again. Oh, there he goes. Quick release. Oh, got him. Yeah. Switch to the Roosty. Oh, Roosty, back at it again. Oh, and he got away. All right. We're both set up on the old Roosty now. We should start reeling them in. Probably move. Got one. Yeah. This guy's running. This one might be. Oh! Got off again. You got one? We're just doubling up over here.
Hit it right on shore, like you said. Look how pretty he is.
Man, he's gorgeous. Pull him all the way up.
Yeah, he is. He's a loud fish. Ooh, he almost tried to get me with that.
Well, pull him all the way up.
I was trying to do it by hand.
All right, let's see it.
Here you go.
All right. It's just been rapid fire out here. One after another once we switch up the Roosties. I don't know what it is this year, but Roosties have just been going bananas. Got a little landing spot right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And it's easy to get down right here. Those people over there, they ain't catching.
Oh, he's right here, right by the
Oh, I missed him. Oh no, I got him. Oh my goodness.
Got it?
Yeah, this guy's pulling big time.
That was like a rookie. I completely missed mine.
Ooh, they fight hard on that ultralight.
Is he a rainbow?
No, he's a cutty.
They get in the red ones. Oh yeah, I see his pink cheeks. Mine are mating. That's why they keep coming to me. I'm a female. That's why I get the
Look how big that bad boy is. Look how pretty.
You wanna show me? Good.
Alright, let's let it go.
I totally missed mine. I was like a complete rookie. I was like, oh, fuck it, I should pull it.
Like they just slam it and then just take off running. I thought it was gonna be way bigger than that, but still.
Probably celebrate later for everyone else.
I know. Those people over there, they're like, do you hear those people over there? All they keep saying is Roosty. I got him on the chartreuse. Have they hit that pink yet over there?
Yeah, they remember.
Hey, you got the one. And actually, you landed that one.
Yeah, yeah, but I don't know.
It's almost time for a victory beer. It's a little chilly though. Got one of those vegetarians. One of those vegans. A tree branch. Got him. Yep. Oh. Come in my little cove. Oh, there he goes. Quick release.
Get out of my little cove.
Uh-oh. It's chasing it. I got him. No. No, yeah, I do.
Got him.
He's a little guy, maybe.
I'm gonna cast it before.
Oh, he's real little. Nice, another little one. Here you go. Alright, we'll see if we get kill a cat on some of these cutties out here. I caught so many fish, I had to take a beer break.
Not too cold for a dang beer. Fishing in jorts on a boat is a good idea.
Fishing in shorts. I think it's called jortson fishing, not fishing in jorts.
Oh, you're right. But it's still cold. You get one?
Got him.
You got one?
Yeah.
Nice tricks. They get mad when you catch them.
Oh, hell. These rosy red cheeks. You go. When I caught that one, I let it sink for a while.
Yeah, I'm gonna start trying to get out there and let it sink longer. But right now with this wind, I'm not really getting out there, you know?
You want to switch poles?
Oh, no.
We've been killing it on this one.
I know, good.
Oh, got him again. Told you need to switch to this pole.
No, you need to fish that pole.
Down over here. Ooh, look how colored up he is.
I'm like, gonna be like ugly behind you right now. Okay, I'm
Look at
like
the size of this one.
over here now. See if it kind of go out a little. Oh, he looks good. Yeah, so green on top. Is that a different one? Is that a greenback?
It's deep in his lip right there.
He's big. All right. I'm really close to you. Sorry.
Look at the colors on this boy. Alright, get him released.
Let's see it. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Okay. Did he spit? Say things like things. Oh, he's good. Look at him. Good job, baby. You did it. Good job. Beautiful.
No, we're on over here. Fish on.
Fish out. Super duper.
Super duper. Ooh, look at him.
Look at him. telling you, these ones are liking me.
I was over here taking a nap.
I was over here catching a fish. Story of our freaking lives. Huh?
Good job, baby.
Thank you.
You want players?
I got mine. See if I can get him in and get a picture with him this time. Do you have your phone?
Yeah.
Because he's looking good. Hi, buddy. Right on the lip.
Right on the lip.
Oh gosh, she's barely even hooked. Well, I guess he's hooked. Guess he is hooked. I might.
Oh, super duper.
Oh, super duper. I'm gonna have to flip him off, babe. So I'm gonna not be able to take. So I guess we'll take a picture with the hook in, okay?
Yeah.
Here he is.
Go on, get.
Told you I was gonna pick back up. It's been so slow.
Got him.
Got him. Hooked him on the lip.
Well, I think this wind might have shut us down. What do you think?
It's cold up here. I'm ready to see if we can go back to the car. Maybe check out Mac Reynolds, see if there's any good fish in there, and then head out.
Well, we'll see. This hike out should warm us up.